With Optimize for Me folders, you don't have to spend hours analyzing data, moving budgets to your best campaigns, and pausing low performers. Our AI does it all for you by automatically focusing your ad spend on the best performing ad campaigns. Start by choosing the campaigns you want to optimize. You can select any combination of platforms, whether it's Snapchat, Google, Facebook, or others. Then tap Move to Folder. Give your new folder a name that makes sense for what you're optimizing, like Holiday Promo. You can also add a cover image if you want. And that's it. Your campaigns are now grouped together in an optimization folder. Inside your folder, you'll see an option to turn on optimization. Just toggle the switch, and the system will start optimizing your campaigns immediately. Once optimization is on, you'll notice a 15-day timeline where the system continually adjusts and reallocates budgets based on performance. You can see which campaigns are above or below benchmarks and how budgets are being shifted. If you want more detailed insights, just click on any campaign within the folder. This will bring you to our deeper reporting, where you can see metrics like cost per lead, make edits, and even respond to comments on your ads. In addition to your optimization folders, if you want to optimize your ad assets, targeting, and more at the ad level, you can find it in the results section of each specific ad campaign. Optimize for Me is a powerful AI-driven feature that takes the guesswork out of ad management. If this is turned on at the campaign level and the campaign is in an optimization folder, every part of your ad will be optimized for ROI. And there you have it, optimization folders in a nutshell.